Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation, Basic Level, Exercise of Unit Number 1, Dictation Speed, 30 words per minute, Shorthand and Transcription, Total Time 16 minutes. Ready, start. The object is to do it, comma, but who is to do the tapes, question mark, be his aid to, full stop, who objected to the 2 pages, question mark, but which is the debt, which is paid today, question mark, it is 5% per annum, full stop, which date is it today, question mark, the debt is paid today, full stop, pay the debts to, full stop, it is his object to, full stop, which is the tape, question mark, it is paid to Ted, full stop, but who is to pay, question mark, which is the jet, question mark, date, page 2, exclamation, the object is to pay his debt, full stop, the bet is paid, exclamation, do pay the debt, full stop, is it 5%, question mark, who is to pay the debt, question mark, who objects to 5% per annum to pay the debt, question mark, but it is Ted who objected, exclamation and stop writing.